AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Right here, right now. We're going to be doing an unboxing right here, right now. We're going to do the setup right here, right now. I don't know why I keep saying right here, right now, but then we're going to do it right here, right now. So, these are the AirPods Pro 2nd generation with USB-C. There we are. AirPods Pro 2nd generation with USB-C. You got all your other stuff over here, and yeah, I'm gonna have to blur that thing out. Alright, so we're just gonna get right into it. Apple logo, AirPods Pro, Apple logo stuff. I'm gonna have to blur out. Alright, it's just like peel. If I can peel properly. Bad experience so far. Yeah, right. I need to get better at that. Alright. Now. So those are the AirPods. I'm joking. There's the AirPods. But first of all, we're just going to go through the instructions. I don't think that we get Apple stickers in here. Last time I had AirPods, I did not. There is the guide towards having AirPods. Don't need that, Yep, all done. Yep, alright. Here are the main things itself. And, braided USB-C cable. And, yep, those thingy-majiggies, the AirPods themselves, not the AirPods, but the AirPods. I don't know what it is, it's just like something. Extra small, and large. The mediums are in here. Oh, wow. As you can see, USB-C. Just like, yep, alright. Just like, yep, bye. Yep, bye. So, let's do that. Get out. There we are. Let me tell you, it's been some time since I've touched them. Alright. So, you'll be switching over to the Samsung camera in like a couple of seconds. Because, well, I'm going to have to use my iPhone. I'm recording with my iPhone right now. So now we're with the Samsung. Here's my phone, here's the AirPods. Now, let's do the pairing process. There they are. Pairing. There it is. AirPods Pros. Unlock. Yeah, Face ID. Forgot that they had speakers. Right, media control. Okay, I know, thank you. Alright, adaptive mode, personalised volume, that's nice. And conversation awareness. Just to say, conversation awareness is quite a new feature, I'm pretty sure. It's where it literally knows when you're speaking, which is just fabulous. Adaptive mode. Yep. Okay, I'm not even going to explain that. You've already got it. Personalised volume, that's basically the same thing. Conversation awareness, I've just told you. And yeah, there's my battery percentage for these. And yeah, done. Alright, so now we are connected. If we hold that, no. Aha. Alright. Speakers. Those are part of Find My iPhone or Find My app. If you've lost them, you can ping a lanyard loop. So, the lanyard loop is how it basically says it. You put a lanyard in there. Yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so AirPods. There's the AirPods. I'm going to take one out real quick. Look at them. They're AirPods, if you didn't know. They're not Samsungs. They're AirPods. Alright. So, I don't think I need my phone anymore, but actually, okay, so it comes back up. Well done. well, I couldn't find out how to do some stuff, so yeah, I can't show you like the beep noises, but I'm gonna guess it's pretty similar to the Apple Watch one. I'm gonna quickly show you that. Ugh. If it wants to ping. Nothing wants to work today. You know what? If it pings later on, it pings. Yep. Okay. There you go. There you go. It pings now. Oh my god, this is such a wreck of a video already, and I cannot delete it because I do not want to. Alright, so, yep, there you go. This is what you'll see. So, noise control is currently off. You can turn it on to transparent, NC, adaptive, adaptive, noise cancellation. I have no clue what I'm on, am I? Alright. Answer call, you have to press once. Mute and unmute, press once. End call, press twice. I'll be doing the press twice a lot. There it is. Yep, connect to this phone automatically. Microphone. You can change it to always left AirPod, always right AirPod. Almost dropped. Find my network is on. Try it now. That's nice. Oh, wow. Oh. That's weird. Transparency is really weird. Oh, wow. Alright. Yep. That's weird. Oh. Oh, I just turned on music. Thank you. Test. Alright. Continue. That's great. It's got some music on. It puts on some music. And, yeah. Hey, it fits well. And now my ears feel weird. Oh, no, not again. No, cancel. Oh, my God. Alright, I'm gonna... Oh, that feels weird. Just to say, transparency feels very weird. It, like, literally distorts your voice. Let's try adaptive. That's a nice switch. No, okay, you don't want to go transparent. I mean, adaptive. Okay. Alright, let's just try noise cancellation. Oh, wow. I can't hit. Oh, no. Oh, can you please stop switching? It's just like, yeah. Alright, so those are the 3 ones that are on. If I turn that off. And now it's noise cancellation. Alright, if I put adaptive. Ooh, I like the look of that. It's alright. Okay, so I can still hear myself. I'm not sure what adaptive actually does. I know it said at the start of how I do it, but to be fair, I didn't really read it. So yeah, that's sad. But noise cancellation, I am actually aware of. And I actually use quite a lot because I do not want to hear other people when I'm walking back home from school. Apple Music. Yeah, oh, right, okay. Alright. I can still hear myself. I can still hear myself talking, but... the music sounds good. It actually sounds like very premium. To be honest, I like it. I really do like it. I'm going to pause that. And I'm going to turn on transparency because I actually want to hear myself for the first time. Actually, I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to end it there. It wasn't the best video of mine, to be fair. I haven't been feeling that well, so I am very sorry. Please like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on if you want to see another one of my videos. Trust me, I will be better. I'm trying to be better. Just like put everything in there. Even these. There we are. Get off. Alright, goodbye.